Alright, welcome back to my channel, everyone. I have decided to go for a day hike here at Steele's Creek in the Linville Gorge area, heading south off Forest Service Road 496 towards Table Rock. And I've already encountered a waterfall, not even a quarter of a mile in, the top of a waterfall, where the trail takes me across the top of it. A little sketchy. Tops of waterfalls are not places you want to be messing around with, but this log looks pretty secure, so I think I'll be alright crossing it. Still not my favorite thing to do. We're going to see some waterfalls here on Steele's Creek. Been wanting to come here for a number of years. Just haven't gotten around to it. It's been on the list. So I'll tick it off with today's hike and bring you the views. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Calling for possible rain in the forecast. So day hike it is. Alright, time to cross the creek now. It's going to be a few of these. Lower elevation trail, but cold water of these creeks makes for a welcome reprieve from what is probably going to be a hot day. I didn't check the forecast for this area, except that there's rain moving in. That's all I know. But good bet it's going to be in the 80s, maybe even close to 90 degrees. That's what it's been all around Western North Carolina, pretty much on a daily basis. It is buggy out here. Overgrown, a lot of poison ivy. Good thing I'm not highly allergic to it. This is as close as I can get. You see my foot's right near the waterfall. And there's slippery surfaces here, so I'm not going to be foolish and take any unnecessary risks. Just a word of caution, if you want to see these waterfalls, take heed, because you have one misstep, you could be in a world of hurt. And I have nothing to prove. This is as close as I'm going to get. But I just wanted to show you the canyon here. Pretty neat topography. I mean, it's narrow, but not narrow enough to be considered a slot canyon, but it does have some nice features. Beautiful. This is what I imagined from the pictures I'd seen of Steele's Creek, how it would look. There's a deep pool there. Yeah, I like this. That's the way I came down. It's a massive waterfall over there. Hopefully I can get close to it. I'll find out if the trail takes me down that way. There are some deep swimming holes here, so you can cool off in the summer. That looks really deep there. Probably over my head. I'm 5'9", so yeah, you could definitely enjoy this. Beautiful river, creek. Raging waterfalls on this creek. Quite impressive. I wish I can get a better look, but it's pretty dangerous. Little side trails don't really take you close enough, and there's so much rhododendron, it's overgrown, you can't really get too close. Hopefully I'll be able to get a better look further down. Alright, I was able to find a way down to view this most impressive waterfall. Really good water flow, a lot of volume, cutting through, carving out the canyon. Man, it is magnificent. A lot of power. This is kind of sketchy here because I had to come down a very steep, muddy path where you could easily lose your footing. I used this rope to get me over here. Someone had tied this rope around the tree, but I think I'm good where I'm at. At least I can give you a view of it. See if I could zoom in a little bit. Beautiful. I hope you enjoy this. I know I do.